Hello everyone, this is Steve from Aircraft Specialty, and this is part 2 of our CNC series on instrument panel cutting. In part 1 of this video, we finished up all of our CNC design and exported our tool pathing into a format that our CNC router could understand. Now it's time to go ahead and make our final cut and get your panel set and ready for you. The first thing that needs to be done is your instrument panel needs to be mounted to the bed of the router table in an orientation that is perfectly aligned with the axes of the CNC router. In this video, we've already accomplished that. At Aircraft Specialty, we don't go ahead and just cut your panel right away. The first thing that we do before we're getting ready to do a final cut of any customer's instrument panel is to go ahead and put a special plotting tool into the head of our CNC router. We put this tool in lieu of the normal cutting bit that we would use and tell the routing software the diameter of this tool, which is different than the cutting bit. That allows it to compensate and effectively draw the same size holes into our instrument panel. By running the entire sequence through with the plotting bit versus the actual cutting bit, this allows us to make one final verification that everything is going to look exactly as it needs to be. Once this is complete, we can be perfectly assured that your instrument panel is going to turn out exactly as we have it drawn. Once the plotting pen has finished its work, it's time to go ahead and verify the dimensions. Once we've done this, we swap out the plotting pen with the actual CNC router bit, and it's time to cut your panel. You'll notice from the video that when we do the actual cutouts, the machine is moving a lot slower. We also make multiple passes at each hole. What this lets us do is make sure that once the holes and the cutouts are complete, that they're burr-free and perfectly dimensioned. And there you have it, a complete panel CNC cut from Aircraft Specialty, ready to either send off to our customer or to continue on with powder coating and labeling services. We hope you enjoyed this video.